Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know, you can remove that from the blockchain. Here's why. Over the past few years, blockchain technology has become widely popular across an array of different industries. Blockchains are known for their ability to record and store data securely, but can such information ever be removed? Is blockchain data truly permanent? And if so, why is this the case? If you're not well versed in blockchain technology, it can be difficult to understand the dynamics of blockchain data strongs. So let's first run over a quick recap of how this works. Blockchains started using something called distributed ledger technology (DLT). Distributed ledger technology is an umbrella term for an array of different systems, including blockchains. Using DLT, blockchains can record and store data without needing a third party. There is also no central authoritative party that controls distributed ledgers, making them far less susceptible to corruption. The data stored on a blockchain is shared with multiple users, known as nodes, who can access and view said data at any time. This keeps blockchain networks transparent. These nodes must also verify data recorded on a blockchain. Usually, every protocol only requires a few nodes for verification, but in any case, blockchain technology requires the green light from multiple distributed users to record data rather than one central entity. This is why blockchain technology forms the backbone of the cryptocurrency industry, as it allows transactions or data to be securely stored and accessible to all users. This mode of data strong is also becoming popular in the healthcare, insurance, and traditional finance industries. So if a piece of data has been recorded and stored on a blockchain, can it be removed? Above all else, blockchains are known for being immutable. This means that any data that has been verified and added to a block cannot be altered or deleted. Think of every block as a stone carving, wherein you can simply hit the delete button on the date. Once the date is there, isn't there for good. This is because blockchain technology uses consensus machines to operate. So nodes on the blockchain must come to a consensus about a new piece of data before it is added to a block. So if you try to delete or alter information within a block, you are not aligned with the network consensus on the piece of data, meaning the alteration or deletion will not take place. It also worth noting the once that is added to block, it is shared with every node within the network. This makes all the data on the blockchain digitally transparent, so even if a deletion or alteration was possible, every node will be able to see that it has happened. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Well, uh, I'm gonna back for next time. don't forget for always support me. Okay, bye.